We're about to put a tents and let's do some fun. Chan kitha guzari aayi. I have something for you to protect you all night from mosquito.
If you put rice in there, let's make the real challenge. So more tough is better.
That's fine. We'll let him sleep here. Okay, so we're gonna put the most important part for me is to get my espresso, of course, while I'm away in camping. Please don't try it. Oh,
Have you brought
मसाला है?
squares? You know.
No, हम बॉल बना के बस वो फ्राई करके खा लेते हैं.
my espresso is done. Lal, mere dil ka haal. She got it from Baby Elephant, by the way.
Show a cup. Why are you not showing it?
From Ukraine, by the way.
Exactly.
Stay with Ukraine.
Yeah, coffee
Perfect.
time.
Yep. Grandma made it for me.
Organic.
I was like, oops. More?
No, that's
Was enough?
No, I'm fine.
We need some more wood to obviously do some barbecue, which is an honesty shed. Bye. I'll show you. Come around. So what we do, shed, we're gonna get in, get whatever we need, pick it up, and put some money there. So you have all this stuff here with the price on, and cold drinks here as well, and yep, all the stuff here. You can pick whatever you need and leave the money in the box.
They have to clean them. Your dad wouldn't be happy, to be honest.
Yeah, he would never let.
No, I think this is dirty, yeah.
Needs to be more clean, right?
They should take care of
Yeah.
them more because they look beautiful, but
You know, even our house in Pakistan is cleaner than this, right?
yes.
Want to take what? A little bit more here. वो है मिलता दिल की आरज़ू तुम पास हो के एहसास हो के ना प्लेट
direct on them. About the meat.
Morning scenes. Good morning.
It starts raining.
Shafiq bhai, hi. Hello.
Hello. Did you forget my name?
Yeah, what's your name?